My name is Oscar Fernando Rivera Grimaldos. I am from the city of Duitama, Boyacá. My work and social routines before the COVID-19 pandemic. Before 2020, my daily and social routines were very different. I worked as an electrician in a small company, and every morning I woke up at 6 o'clock to get ready for work. While I was having breakfast, I usually watched the news on TV. Then I left home at 7 and took the bus to my job. At work, I was repairing electrical systems and installing new cables most of the time. My co-workers and I had lunch together, and we talked about our plans for the weekend. After finishing the job, I sometimes went to the park or meet my friends for coffee. Socially, life was very active. Every weekend I visited my family, and on Sundays I was playing soccer with my neighbors. At that time, people were spending more time outside and didn't use phones and mouse as now. I remember my friend once said, "We are always busy, but we enjoy our work." That's something I really miss. Since 2020, everything changed. I stopped going out so often and started working more from home. Thank you.